In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize Premiere Pro for better performance by utilizing GPU acceleration. This can significantly enhance your editing experience, especially if you're working with high-resolution videos or complex effects. Let's dive right in and get your editing setup running at peak performance. First, open up Premiere Pro. Once you have it open, navigate to the top menu bar. Here, you'll want to click on File. From the drop-down menu, select Project Settings and then click on General. This section allows us to manage various settings related to your project's performance. Under Video Rendering and Playback, you'll find an option for the renderer. It's crucial to ensure that this is set to something like Mercury Playback Engine GPU acceleration. You'll see options like Cuda, Metal, or OpenCL depending on your system configuration. Choosing the proper setting here allows Premiere Pro to take full advantage of your computer's GPU capabilities, making playback and rendering smoother and faster. Now, let's move on to adjusting your media settings. If you're on a Windows machine, go to Edit in the menu bar and select Preferences, then Media. For Mac users, you'll find Preferences under the Premiere Pro heading, then click on Media. Within this media section, there's a crucial option that says, Enable Hardware Accelerated Decoding. Ensure this is checked. If your system supports it, you might also see an option for hardware encoding. Enable this as well. These settings will provide significant performance boosts, particularly for H.264 or HEVC footage, by leveraging your hardware for decoding and encoding processes. Next, it's important to update your GPU drivers. This applies whether you have an NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel graphics card. Always aim for the latest stable version, as updates often include enhancements and bug fixes that can improve performance and fix compatibility issues. If you encounter persistent performance issues even after updating the drivers, consider performing a clean install of the GPU driver. This can be a helpful troubleshooting step to ensure no remnants of old drivers are causing conflicts. After you've made all these changes within Premiere Pro, it's a good practice to restart the application. In some cases, you may also need to restart your entire computer. These restarts help ensure that all of your changes, especially those related to GPU settings, are correctly applied and are working to their full potential. By taking the time to configure these settings, you're setting up Premiere Pro to run more efficiently, which means less waiting around and more time for creativity. I hope this guide helps you achieve a smoother editing workflow. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.